Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you, teacher, for telling me about everything in the world.
Happy Teacher's Day, my teacher, someone with a big heart who saves little minds every day. Thank you for being great teacher.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Happy Teacher's Day. This is how about every time you meet your teacher, you are smarter than before you met your teacher. About the brain getting better. Me because teacher, me as a teacher, me because of teacher. It even breaks the barrier.
Happy Teacher's Day. Teaching is the profession that makes other profession their teacher. Thank you for always aiding me. Happy Teacher's Day. You are the best teacher. Thank you, my teacher. My teacher is the star who taught me how to shine. Happy Teacher's Day. You are the best. The best teacher teach from the heart, not from the book. Thank you for being a wonderful teacher.
Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you for making your lesson interesting. Thank you for being the greatest teacher ever.
Happy Teacher's Day. A good education can change anyone. A good can change everything.
A good teacher.
A good teacher.
Happy Teacher's Day. So as you can see, I made a little Frenchie. Tumas éclair, le chem pourquoi je pour ce traitement pour que chemin et souffrir pas. Merci pour tout. Merci de red. Until Sigma. You are so Sigma. Et de Meuler. You are so Mewing. Pour moi, bonne journée de professeur. Tu es très croissant. You are very croissant. Why? Because croissants are good and they are like elegant in any way. So yeah.
Thanks for making me fall in love with a subject. I thought I hated it. Now I cannot get enough of it. Happy Teacher's Day to my inspiring teachers.
Happy Teacher's Day. You are the best teacher. A cup of tea for being the best teachers. Lots of love, teacher. Cheers.
Happy Teacher's Day. For you, my teacher, I say thank you for everything.
Happy Teacher's Day. This is what I make. I love you, teacher. You are the best teacher.
Goodbye.